guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I wanted to show you this beautiful scarf. This is a FURTALK beige scarf that I think has been such a great purchase because it's super soft, really nice quality product. The material is great, it doesn't wear out at all, which is wonderful, and it's super warm and cozy, super great to have with you even on those really chilly days. This has proven to be such a great, useful, practical thing to have because I can wrap it around me like this, but it's also lightweight, not too heavy, and it's also a really good thing that it's just so easy and on the go that I can just wrap it around my neck like this. No issues there. And I have just loved also the color, which I think is a nice beige that goes with everything. So if you're looking for a nice scarf, I would definitely recommend this one here. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.